How to create a VK account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create a VK account by using your mobile device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you have to open the application VK on your device. Alright, so after you open the app, you'll got such interface. So from the bottom, tap on the option sign up. Alright, so from your you'll have to just provide your phone number. Alright, so after you provide your phone number, tap on the option continue. Okay, so after you add your number, you'll get a verification code on that phone number. So from there, you'll have to just verify with the verification code that you will receive on your phone number. And after you enter the verification code, tap on the option continue. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll get such interface. So from your, you'll have to just provide your first name and last name, and on the other section, you'll have to confirm your gender. And after you confirm your gender, tap on the option next. Alright, so from your, you'll have to just enter your birth date, and after you do it, tap on the next. Okay, so now from this section, finally you'll have to create a strong password, and after you confirm your strong password, tap on the option next, and from there you can easily create a VK account by using your mobile device. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.